Today, as you are organizing Kaiping Students Union Tripura, 5th Freshers Meet 2019. So, can you tell us briefly about your Kaiping Student Union Tripura, like when it established, aims and objectives, your motto and functions?
Okay, first of all, I would like to give to Uptour TV channels, Tripura, for giving us this opportunity and for letting us introduce this thing. Actually, we, the Kaiping of Tripura, have different organizations, and we also have this, as we call just now, Kaiping Student Union. And today, we have organizing the 5th Fresher Meet 2019. And as per the questions, I would like to tell you regarding about the aims, objectives, mottos, and its functions of Kaiping Student Union Tripura. Actually here, our motto is meekness and wisdom, which in our language we call it is Singna and Varna. And with this our motto, we are doing and we are functioning our aims and objectives. And here our aims and objectives is that to promote and safeguard our culture, identity, religions, and upliftment in education. And for with this, our aims and objectives, we the Kaiping living in Tripura have an union as a student body. Then with this, we try to uplift our society. Actually, every year this Fresher Meet has been organized by us, and we have been started from 2015 until now. We have been doing this Fresher Meet every year. Then let us go for our functions of Kaiping Student Union Tripura. Actually, our main functions we have already known through our aims and objectives. And apart that one, we used to do Rising Day every year in January, in the month of January, as well as Fresher Meet every year. Then we also have another that like games and sports. Like we organize like football, volleyball, and many things. And not these games is not only for the men, and we also organize for the women also. So we have did a lot to implement and to upgrade our society actually. We have nothing then to do but to uplift our society. And also every year we used to organize, as we are a Christian background, then every year we is doing this Advent Christmas. Then about this, we also have counseling and plus career guidance to the students who are far away from mostly. If we look to our community, then till today we are in lack of education, mostly for the career guidance and for this counseling. And most of the educated people of our community used to arrange this thing, so in which we try to uplift our society. So here, this is the thing that we always go in. And in our Kaiping community, the reasons we form this, I've already tell you that there are different community in our event within Tripura and different tribes, but this whole community, well, the others are uplifting themselves. We also try to follow their steps. And actually, we can't say we are educated. And now if we go further than that, see, within our community, we haven't seen much educated persons like those gazetted officers. We haven't seen it. And when we heard this, then, and when we come to see this thing, then we try and we thought of building a better society. It doesn't mean that we are competing to the others community or others tribe. Actually, this is so that our tribe also could come up to the level of with another people. For that we are doing within our tribe. And in this tribe also, differently we have a different agendas in which every year we are implementing. for the, especially we try to focus on the education level. Mostly now, as I have said, we have no gazetted officers. And for that, we are arranging something that for them to upload. So this is just a brief that I'm sharing to you today. Then I hope if we have another time, then I hope we can share more. Actually, today, as we organize this Freshers Day, then we are very fortunate and to give thanks to our Hopter TV channel. And thank you very much. Have a nice day.